What's up, Maniacs? Got another one here for you today. Still in quarantine, so I still have my quarantine beard and haircut, but yeah. We're gonna take a look and see what's inside this box and see how it fits on this car, so let's do it. So that is a cold air intake kit from the JCW. I got it from outmotoring.com. It's made by Cravenspeed. I'll leave a link in the description below for the parts and the links to where you can buy it. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, first we got to get this old one out of the way. We got to remove this cable housing and this clip. Remove this. We're going to replace this pipe with the sensor. Very important to put that sensor back on there. And so yeah, let's get started removing some of this stuff. I don't think we need to remove this, but I'm just going to remove it just to give us a little more room here. Seems like there's one screw somewhere. We're down at the bottom, maybe? Nope, just a rubber gasket holding it in tight. So we undo the hose, take out the sensor, undo the bolt on the front, and just pull it out. These little clips on the bottom sink into these rubber gaskets, which was what was holding it in there. But yeah, this is the old one. Let's get it out of the way and get in the new one. So here's the new one. Here's those little balls that sink into that rubber gasket down here. Our pipe is going to connect into here, and we'll have our air intake going into the front, right into that filter. So let's do it. And it looks like they give us a bracket here to mount this right here to the battery terminal cover, it appears. So maybe it goes somewhere else, but I think that's where it goes. So let's get that sensor installed on the new pipe. Actually, let's put the pipe in first before we try to wiggle it around. Yeah, I like that better. Rather than break off the sensor while trying to maneuver these pipes around, let's put the pipes in first. All right, that's on. Rotate it a little bit so we can access that sensor port. We're going to take our existing sensor. We didn't take it off. We're going to slide it in there. It's got its same rubber gasket on there. Line it up, and we'll use the 2 provided bolts to sink it in there. All right, sensor's on. The fact that we're using the factory one shouldn't throw any error codes, which will be cool. So now let's tighten down this hose with the existing hose clamp. What they didn't give is a place to use this. That's not where it goes, is it? No. To mount this wiring harness out of the way. So maybe we'll come up with something for that. But I don't see an existing way on this box how to hold that out of the way like the stock box had. Nah. Got it. Air filter time. Now let's put this back on. So yeah, this is it. To install the new one, we just pop the new housing in the same gasket O-rings, put in the new inlet pipe, put the sensor in from the existing box so we don't throw any codes, and then throw on the filter and then put your inlet back on, and that's it. So let's take it for a ride, see how it sounds. So that's it for this one. Cravenspeed cold air intake from outmotoring.com. I'll leave links below. I'm not sure if the audio will come through that great, but it does sound really awesome. I highly recommend it. Super easy to install. Probably takes 30 minutes at most. But leave any questions or comments you have below. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, see another Mini out there. Don't forget to wave. Catch you on the next one.